Good morning. My name is Marek Cichosz and I represent the company IFS. First of all, I want to give the thanks to organizers for inviting us for this special event. We are first time on this event, so I'd like to present first our company and our customers to give you possibility to know what we are doing and how we are doing. Well, about our company. Our company was founded in 1983, over 30 years ago, by 4 determined students, which start to build a system for the maintenance of power plant, nuclear power plant in Barsebäck in Sweden. It was a very difficult problem for this power plant because they have no system like this at that time. And they are determined very, so the effect is as you see on the slide. Now we are in the many countries. We have more than 2,400 customers. Every morning over 1 million people start our application to get to do their business very efficiently. So we are located in many countries, but headquarters is located in Sweden, in Linköping. We have branch in London, in Chicago, in Colombo. But when it comes to our region, in Warsaw, in Poland, is located headquarters for IFS. This organization was established in 2001 to have a control on the Eastern Europe and Middle Asia. Now we are control 15 countries divided into groups. IFS has subsidiaries in Poland, Czech, Hungary, Kazakhstan, Russia, Slovakia and Turkey. And we have partners in the countries Romania, Ukraine, Georgia, Cyprus, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Belarus and Israel. As you see, also Georgia is on the list, so we are here since 2007, if I could remember, and we are still growing to share our partners, network of our partners. IFS is investing in 4 core processes. When we look from the product point of view, those processes is project management, exactly, manufacturing, supply chain, and service and assets. And this is this point what I'd like to focus on this. Showing the customers examples of implementation. Those our determinants give us effect that Gartner company, which prepared the assessment, for the different kind of systems give us a very good answer that we are located in the right up corner. So we are in the group of the leaders in field service management systems and also in ERP for product-centric management countries. This is a big advantage for us, and of course testimony that we are ready to deliver solutions for those areas. A few words about our product. It's really hard to say during the 15 minutes or 20 about such a complicated solution, but typically we are present our system like a wall built with the bricks, which showing what is the area of our functionality. We can cover almost all activity or typical company, but our customers comes from really different areas of the business. So our components also you could read as a possibility to build a solution basing on part of this application, and we can deliver very tailored solution for the different companies. Also important information is that we are able to deliver solution which has a multi different functionalities, multi companies, multi sites, multi languages, multi currencies. So this gives us the possibility that we are in the many countries and our customers are able to use this solution between countries also. So it's very useful for the growing companies which starts from the one country and could expand his activity to other and step by step build their solution basing on our product. So we are deliver solution which is regardless of geography, which can be started on multiple devices and with any size of the company. And so it's very important, it's also available in the cloud, many different clouds. I will tell about that right now. Yesterday, during the second session, they were very cloudy inside. So many presenters talk about possibility to create the clouds, which could be hybrid clouds, public clouds, and so on. Together with Microsoft, or basing on the solution of Microsoft Azure, we prepare offer including two options which enable start the application in the cloud. So it allows start the usage of the system without the equipment. It should be interesting for customers. According to our possibilities for integration and data management, we are ready to build the interfaces and also we have ready-to-use interfaces with the informatics environment, which is typical activity when we start to implement the system in such company. There is typically some different applications, and we can cooperate with those applications easy, basing on our experience. From the user point of view, we have a very positive feedback that our system is very friendly for users. It's possible to set it according to the requirement. The set of information which comes from the screen is not so large, so gives only those information which is required by the user. Our system supporting global business, as I told before, and of course putting innovation to the business use. Innovation was the word which was very often yesterday comes from this place. So we deliver very modern solution, which based on the current technologies. And now I'd like to tell a few words about our customers. Our branch is very sensitive in order to relations between the, suppliers and customers. If we have no positive feedback, so it's bad news for us. But fortunately, we have a very positive feedback from the market. So I give a few examples. As I said, this is a list of the customers, over 150 customers which were wins during the 12 months. It was between the second quarter of the 2014, second quarter 2015. So this is an example how IFS growing with the newest modern solution. We are focused on selected industries. On this slide, you can see those branches. It's aerospace and defense, automotive, retail, and also constructing and contracting, energy and utility, asset intensive service providers. So this is an effect of our focusing on the processes. Those branches are often buy our solution because of the complete of functionality which we deliver. Some examples from the energy and utilities. This is a customer from Poland, from Warsaw, energy and heat power plant, which gives power to Warsaw and to the area nearest Warsaw. This is our customer since 1999. It operates with 5 sites, 5 power and heat plants, and they take decision last year to upgrade our system, and you can read the testimony right down corner, which was given us by Mr. Dariusz Gawryś, Director of the Support Department of PGNiG Termika. They're very happy to use our system, and more of them. This system significantly improves project cost management, also improve the purchasing processing. after implementation and after upgrading. So it's still their business get positive effects using our system. They have over 600 users, so it's a quite middle company according to the number of users. Another example is Three Georges hydropower plant. Huge power plant, but there are not so many users, 200. But this is a very interesting example, because before the hydropower plant was built, they choose the system first for the phase of project, and then for the maintenance of this power plant. So they choose IFS because we are ready to provide very rich functionality. I was said by chief of the Three Georges hydropower plant. Second, another customer from another branch. It's also energy and utilities, but this is municipal Waterworks and Sewerage Company, which is located in Warsaw. They are customers since 2011 and have nearly 200 users. It's not so big customer, but operates, as you see, there is over 3,400 kilometers of the sewage system and the same approximately kilometers in the Waterworks network. So it's a huge network which they should operate, but they are using our solution for that. We have also customers in aerospace and defense. There are two examples. One of the largest our customers, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. They have over 10,000 users. That's information which gives you a scale which we can deliver. Yes? Since 30 users to up to 10,000. This is a very known company, and they are, how to say, give us the possibility to make a test for our system. They are tested us over 1 year before they start. After we delivered the solution, it was a very hard time for us, but efficiently we are win, and this is a very good example to share with other prospects. The second well-known customer is Lockheed Martin. They are use our system for maintenance of F-35, to operate ability to plan, maintain, and so on. This is our system is an element of logistic information system, which they are operate. And we have also very positive feedback from this customer, and we make together other deals as a cooperation. For example, in Poland, we sell together with Lockheed Martin the system for maintaining F-16. We have I'd like to say something about customers from constructing and contracting branch. This is example, quite small company, 50 users, but it's not, actually it's not a small company, but there are no big number of users. But they use our system since 2006, and Multicurrency joint stock company was the one of the first which chose this class of the system, ERP, to manage their business. Well, we have a great testimony from Wojciech Pater, which was downright corner, and at the time when the system was implemented, he was a manager for production, and he was responsible for the implementation, now become the chairman of the board. So we can say IFS help our customer and those presidents to make a career also. Güllermak, very nice company, Turkish company, which operates in Poland. We sell system in 2015, so it's a quite fresh one. The implementation is now during the process. I was one of the person which sold this our system to the Güllermak, and they are very impressed our possibilities of agile, of adapting to their requirements. So this is also information how we can adapt. They plan to use at the first stage 35 users, but in the next there is no limit, probably will be 100 or over. And we are also in Georgia. Now we're starting the new side of the solution, which is sold to APM terminals. This is company located in Denmark, but has many sites over the whole world, and they make a joint venture with Maersk and locate a new site in the Poti seaport. So we are, this is an example from Georgia. And last but not least, this is testimony from our customer from Australia, which represent this sorry, I have to start this video. Just a moment. This video is very interesting because it was prepared by our customer without our attempt, but they make a very nice job from our point of view. So may I wait hope.
Pindan Contracting's already impressive construction business. We offer asset and hard facilities management services. Our all-hours service currently
Pindan has been one of Western Australia's leading property and construction companies since 1977. Our newest division, Pindan Asset Management, was established in 2013 to provide strategic asset and hard facility management services.
Pindan Asset Management expands on Pindan Contracting's already impressive construction business. We offer asset and hard facilities management services. Our all-hours service currently responds to 150 work orders containing up to 500 operations every day. A key client of ours has some 6,000 assets spread across the Pilbara, Midwest and Gascoyne regions, an area covering some 1 million square kilometres. To ensure we consistently deliver a high-quality level of service in an efficient manner, we must have a robust system of work. By lockstepping the way we approach maintenance activities and leveraging our mobile platform, we're able to drive consistency. This allows for a paperless maintenance environment and real-time visibility of performance.
Maintenance requests can be sent directly from a client's database into IFS. Requests can also be logged by phone, email or via our web portal and entered into IFS by the Perth Service Delivery Team, while cyclical orders can be automatically generated on an ongoing basis. Once it's in IFS, a work order can be tracked by clients and our team in real time throughout the work order lifecycle. We have branches servicing areas across remote Western Australia, and new work orders are automatically assigned to a local branch's cockpit for scheduling. The branch managers and administrators review the work order, make contact with the tenant or property manager to confirm their availability, then transfer the order to a tradesperson's mobile device for action. 70% of our work orders are carried out by our own tradespeople. The rest are subcontracted to local businesses. Each morning, our tradespeople stock their vans and have non-urgent work orders sent to their mobile device for action, but at any stage in the day, they may receive a notification that a new emergency work order has been sent to their mobile device. For safety, a checkpoint is built into the system, so if a tradesperson doesn't reach their destination within the nominated timeframe, an alert will be raised. Prior to commencing work, the tradesperson must assess their surroundings and complete a series of mandatory questions to ensure compliance with our HSEQ requirements. We also take before and after photos for quality assurance purposes. The camera function is built into the work order, so photos are automatically uploaded and are visible to our service delivery team. Once the tradesperson has carried out the maintenance, they finalise the work order, providing completion photos, along with important reporting information and a post-work questionnaire. The tenant or property manager also has the opportunity to complete a customer satisfaction survey on the tablet, so we can continuously improve our service. The tradesperson then returns the work order and a completion message is immediately sent to our service delivery team.
When I started using IFS, I found it really easy to use. I found the IFS is a great asset to the job and I can't imagine doing my job without it.
With the work complete, our branch administrators and service delivery team conduct quality checks and finalise the work order for invoicing. If a client has any specific reporting or documentation requirements, these can be entered into the work order and sent back to the client. We have also implemented ClickView Business Analytics software, which draws near real-time data from IFS to assist in managerial decision-making. It allows general performance to be monitored, ensuring contract KPIs are being adhered to.
Having the ability to monitor performance at a client's service level
or even at a financial performance level or an individual employee performance level directly from my mobile device or my desktop at any given time enables me to understand how things are progressing within the business unit at any given time. What's been created is a real-time finger-on-the-pulse solution to our Pindan Asset Management business unit.
At Pindan Asset Management, we're optimising asset and facility management every day. We're harnessing technology to provide a robust and consistent approach, combining real-time work order and maintenance management with our region-wide capabilities to deliver a benchmark service.
Okay, so we are very proud to have testimonies like this. As I told previously, we don't attend in the creating the video, so it's very, very nice. Back to the presentation. I'd like to summarize those information. Generally, we are sure that our system helps business decisions making every day. As I told, over 1 million people starting our application every day, so this is really useful solution for them. Our system is independent of devices. So you can start it on the standalone computers, also on mobile devices, using touch applications or using typical Windows application. And last but not least, basing only over the number of customers which we win during the 12 months. Our experience and best practices is very valuable for the new customers, for the old customers also. So this is another value which we deliver with the system, which is only the solution. But our knowledge, our attitude to the customer, it's our value. And we are proud of this. We are a modern system, and the technology, modern technology is coming. So we are ready to deliver those systems to the companies which are waiting for the solution such like this. Thank you for your attention, and I invite for for this table, for example, there is some brochures which describe our solution more detailed than I described during the presentation. Thank you.